First of all, welcome to our ethical hacking training, guys. In this training, we will learn how you can able to perform ethical hacking. We just cover a main topics here, okay, which is necessary for you. And the thing is, you just need to watch this training in 1.5x or 1.2x, okay, because due to my slang, you will get some issue here. Okay, to avoid it, just try to watch it in 1.5R or 1.2, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this training. Say hello guys, hope you are fine. And in this class, I am going to teach you about what is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking involves an authorized attempt to gain unauthorized access to a system, to a computer system application, or data. Carrying out an ethical hack involves duplicating strategies. Just focus this point, duplicating. Strategies and action of malicious attacker. Now the simple thing, what is a malicious attacker here? Malicious attacker is nothing but he is a black hat hacker. You can also say it as he is a black hat hacker or a bad guy. Okay, this is the thing. This practice helps to identify security vulnerabilities, which can then be resolved before a malicious attacker. Just focus this point again, resolved before a malicious attacker has the opportunity to exploit them. Okay, this is a simple definition about what is ethical hacking now. Let me explain you in a very easy way as well. Okay, now let's take an example of company. Okay, any company, right? In this company, just take an example of there are systems out there. Okay, a company, computer systems in this company. Okay, and in this company, there is an ethical hacker. Okay, let's mark an ethical hacker as a green computer or something like that. Okay, he is an ethical hacker. Now, first of all, let me tell you, ethical hacker is a legal hacker, or you can also say it as he is a good guy, okay, who find the vulnerabilities in systems and he will patch it. Okay, this is a simple thing. What ethical hackers do means he is a good hacker, okay, who protect the systems before the black hat hackers try to exploit them. Okay, this is a thing. Now, assume that in this company there are systems, right? There are vulnerabilities in the systems. Okay, these systems are vulnerable. Okay, these systems are vulnerable. Now, as an ethical hacker, what he do is he will test the systems. Okay, he will check for the vulnerabilities, okay, on the systems. Then he gonna patch it, okay. Or he will submit the report that these systems are vulnerable. Then the company will patch it as that vulnerabilities. Okay, now, here just go back and I just told you to focus on this point. Ethical hack involves duplicating strategies and actions of malicious attacker. What is this? Basically, this ethical hacker, what he do means he perform the exact and same strategies which performed by the black hat hacker. Okay, you can also say it as just take an example again. Let's take a black hat. Okay, let me take an example of this color as a black hat hacker. Okay, let's take this color as a black hat hacker. Okay, now basically what is black hat hacker here? He is a bad guy. You can also say it as a bad guy. Okay, or here it's saying that malicious attacker, okay, who do the damages in company or in systems. Okay, he's a malicious attacker. See, malicious attacker comes under what he say. You can just take in the category of a bad guy. Okay, malicious. What is malicious? It says something like illegal stuffs. Okay, malicious attacker. Again, I am saying malicious attacker comes under black hat hacking only. Okay, this is a thing. Now, what he do is, he just as a black hat hacker, what he do, the black hat hacker goal is to exploit the systems. Okay, of this company systems, okay, you want to exploit it for his own purpose. We will talk about what is black hat hacker, white hat hacker, each and everything in a very deep concept. Okay, his aim is to hack the systems for his purpose. What he do, he can inject the ransomware there. Okay. Right, he can inject some kind of rats. Okay, rats, or we will talk about what is rats, each and everything. Don't worry, the simple thing is, he want to damage the system. Okay, this is the thing now as a black hat hacker. What we are doing is before this black hat hacker perform the attacks, we are performing the same attacks on our company systems. Okay, so we can find the vulnerabilities here and we can able to patch it. Okay, the simple thing. Okay, hope you guys get it again. I am saying what we are doing as ethical hacker. What he do means before a black hat hacker perform the attacks, he will perform it the same attacks as you guys can able to see. he will duplicate the strategies and actions of malicious attacker here. Basically, this ethical hacker think like a black hat hacker. Okay, the same thing in a simple words. He think like a black hat hacker, and he will attack his own company systems, and he will patch it. This is a good guy. Okay, he is a good attack. Basically, it is a legal attack. Okay. Now here there is a black hat hacker. What he do? He does not have any kind of permissions. Okay, he is a not a legal guy. He is not an employee there on that company. Okay, the simple what he do, he gonna exploit the systems, okay, for his own purpose to for the money, okay, to damage that company, okay, something like that, to leak the database of that company. Okay, so this is a thing, okay, hope you guys get about.